The binomial expansion example 2. We want to find the first three terms in the expansion of this, and when it says first three terms it will mean starting from this end. Very often the question gives you more to go on than that. So we have 2x squared plus 1 over x to the power 10. So I know that my first binomial coefficient will be 10c0. Power comes from here and we always start at 0. The 2x squared will be to the power 10, and the 1 over x is to the power 0. We wouldn't necessarily write it down. Then we have 10c1 as my next coefficient, and we know what happens with the 2x squared. Remember, the 2x squared is in the a position here. That power is going to reduce down to 9. And as far as the 1 over x is concerned, the power is going to increase. And then the next one will be 10c2, and the 2x squared would now be to the 8, and the 1 over x would now be squared. Well, 10c0 I know is 1. 1 over x to the power 0 is also 1. So we need to know 2 to the power 10. So we've got 2 to the power 10. That's 1024. So we're going to have 1024, and then we've got x squared to the 10, so that is x to the power 20. Now 10c1, I happen to know that's just 10. In fact, anything c1 is just the anything. So 2 to the power 9 would be 512. Then we'll have x to the 18 and 1 over x. And we'll tidy that up in a moment. Then we've got the 10c2. So 10c2 gives me 45. So I'm going to have 45 multiplied by, it will be 256, won't it? 2 to the 8 will be half of that. And we've got times x to the power 16. And 1 over x all squared is 1 over x squared. And so we can finally tidy this up. 1024x to the 20. And then we'll have 5120, 10 times 512, and this x on the bottom will cancel with one of those, so we'll have x to the power 17. And then we're going to have 45 multiplied by 256. So 45 multiplied by 256 is 11520. So 11520. X to the 16, we've got an x squared on the bottom, so that'll end up being x to the 14. Now what we should write, because obviously that's not equal to what I put on the left hand side, at each stage we should have a plus dot 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 to show that there were more terms of that expansion.